I am struggling. I am struggling with the fact that I have to cook healthy meals without reassurance. I am struggling with the fact that after every quiz and midterm, I have to come back home and cook 3 meals a day without knowing what the hell I'm supposed to cook. I am struggling with the fact that after every 2 days, I have to go to Trader Joe's just to get 2 ingredients to fit my recipe. I am struggling with the fact that I have to struggle with this along with my academics. This is a problem that not only me, but 2.5 million students across America are facing, time zones away from their parents. And so I built a solution that already 30 people out of the very small fraction out of the entire population is already using. It's an AI chef. An AI chef who you can talk to, an AI chef who guides you to an entire recipe fit only to what you have in your fridge. So that you don't have to go for last minute grocery runs, do not have to go to ChatGPT just to brainstorm a recipe, and everything is personalized only to you. Now, what I want you to do is open the platform. Alright, it's just called bit.ly/AI chef, and I want you to get your next meal prepped in seconds. Tell the AI chef what ingredients you have, what equipment you have, and it'll brainstorm a recipe for you.